Alright, dirita karon sa mga first. Ang first Filipino representative in Spanish Cortes is called Ventura de los Reyes. First to come in the Philippines, Negritos or Daim. First to circumnavigate the world is si Magellan. Kung first man circumnavigate the world is Elcano. Kasaba na to. First to circumnavigate the world is Magellan. Pero kung first man to circumnavigate the world is Elcano. And ang first book is Doctrina Christiana. Ang first Filipino translated book is Baralaan at Jusapak by Fray Antonio de Borja. First Gobjen sa Spanish is Legazpi. And ang first Gobernador General in American military is Merritt. And ang first teachers sa American period is Thomasites. Kung walay American soldier, Thomasites. And first inspiration of Rizal is ang mother. First poem of Rizal in Spanish soil is Amor Patrio. First Ilocano president is Quirino. First sanduguan in Bohol is sila Sikatuna and Legazpi. First Philippine microsatellite is ang Diwata 1. First missionaries is Agustinians. Mga missionaries mo sila tong sa all farmers jump down the river banks. Sa Agustinians ang first and Benedicts ang last. First Filipino hero, Lapu-Lapu. First Filipino diplomat, Felipe Agoncillo. First Chief Justice of the Philippines, Cayetano Arellano. First Senate President, Manuel Quezon. First President of Katipunan, si Deodato Arellano. Second, si Ramon Basa. And third, si Andres Bonifacio. First in the Philippines. First city in the Philippines, Ciudad del Santísimo Nombre de Jesus. First Constitution, Malolos Constitution. Filipino First Policy, Garcia. Si Garcia ang nagtatag sa Filipino First Policy. And first sanduguan of Philippines, si Colombo and Magellan. First Mass in the Philippines, Limasawa by Father Valderrama. First University in the Philippines, University of Santo Tomas or called as UST. First President of Royal Audiencia, General de Vera. First labor union of the Philippines is ang Union Obrera Democratica by Isabelo de los Reyes. Psychodynamic theories. Sigmund Freud, Classical Psychoanalysis. Second, Erik Erikson, Contemporary Psychoanalysis and Ego Psychology. Third, si Alfred Adler, Individual Psychology. Eric Berne, Transactional Analysis. And there is a behavioral theories. There is si B.F. Skinner or sa operant conditioning. Albert Bandura, Social Cognitive Learning Theory. Moral Developmental Theory. Nadiri sila Jean Piaget, Stages of Moral Development. Lawrence Kohlberg, Stages of Moral Development. And Carol Gilligan sa Stages of Moral Development, Ethics of Care. Last sa Humanistic Theories. Carl Rogers, Self-Theory or Person-Centered Theory. Abraham Maslow, Humanistic Psychology. Max Ferdinand Skeler sa Hierarchy of Values. Hierarchy of Values. Si Yuri Bron Penbrenner, Bioecological Systems Theory. What is the oldest existing newspaper? Is ang Manila Bulletin. Oldest college in the Philippines and oldest secondary institution in Asia? Colegio de San Juan de Letran or i-familiarize lang ang Letran. Father of Philippine painting is Damian Domingo or ang Didi. Who appoints the Gobernador General during Spanish times? Is ang Council of Indies. The propaganda movement news was spreaded by Ilustrados. Ang propaganda movement kay gi-spread sa mga Ilustrados. Objectives of Katipunan is ang politika, moral at sibil or ang PMC. Politika, moral at sibil, PMC. Guidebook of Katipunan or ang Bible nila is ang Kartilya. Guidebook of Katipunan is ang Kartilya. Newspaper of Katipunan, ang Kalayaan. The discovery of Katipunan resulted to death of Rizal. Discovery of Katipunan resulted to the death of Rizal. And the death of Rizal leads to Tejeros Convention. And Tejeros Convention leads to the death of Bonifacio. And the death of Bonifacio leads to selling the revolution sa halagang 800,000 Mexican peso. And the poem used against Rizal during his trial is ang Hymn to Talisay. Muna siya ang poem used against Rizal during his trial, Hymn to Talisay. And last word of Rizal is consummatum est or ang it is finished. Consummatum est. It is finished. Rizal is known as the first Filipino or ang Leon Maguerero. Rizal is known as the first Filipino o Leon Maguerero. Miguel Lopez de Legazpi muna siya ang first. Gigo de los Reyes ang last. Jose Basco, ang sikat sa tobacco monopoly is si Jose Basco. Si Narciso Claveria is muna siya ang sa mga surnames or apelyido for tax and census. Carlos Maria de la Torre is ang best Gobjen or most loved. Rafael D. Izquierdo is execution of Gombursa. Eulogio Dispugol is ordered the arrest of Rizal. Camilo Polavieja is ang execution of Rizal, Polavieja. Graciano Lopez Haina ang sikat sa nagkuan sa Pray Butod. Marcelo H. Del Pilar is father of Philippine journalism of Masonry. Marcelo H. Del Pilar, Masonry or ang Philippine journalism. Pascual Poblete, ama ng pahayagang Tagalog. Pascual Poblete, ama ng pahayagang Tagalog. Abraham Maslow sa Humanistic Psychology. Ang included sa basic needs kay ang physiological needs which is ang food, water, warmth, and rest, and also ang safety needs which is ang security and safety. And sa psychological needs po is included ra ang belongingness and love needs which is nadala ang intimate relationships and friends. And also esteem needs which is ang prestige and feeling of accomplishment. And last, ang pinakataas is ang self-fulfillment needs which is ang self-actualization. Nadra ang achieving one's full potential including creative activities.